हेलो बच्चों, in the integration topic, this is part 2C where we are going to study integration by substitution type, where examples are of this type: integral f dash x upon fx dx. Means the numerator is derivative of the denominator. समझ गए बच्चों? f dash x is a derivative of fx. चलो तो हम लोग ऐसा एग्जाम्पल करेंगे एंड सम सिंपल रूल्स वी विल हैव टू रिमेंबर. चलो, नाउ लेट अस से वी हैव an example where we have to find integration. How is this example? Numerator is f dash x, which is the derivative of denominator, that is fx dx. Now by our method of substitution, let t is equal to fx, means whatever is the denominator we take it as fx. Now what happens? dt by dx, it is a very simple derivation. dt by dx will be differentiation of fx with respect to x, which is nothing but f dash x. So dx becomes dt upon f dash x. समझ रहे? Now integration becomes, our example becomes integral f dash x में ऐसा ही लिखूंगा. fx की जगह I will write down t, and here it will be, instead of dx it will be dt upon f dash x. Now see what happens. This f dash x gets cancelled, so our integration becomes integral 1 upon t dt, which is nothing but log of t. And what is t बच्चों? fx. So log fx. इतना सिंपल फॉर्मूला है. So what you have to remember, if you have numerator as the differentiation of denominator, you can straightway write integral as log fx, and of course c. Now इसके साथ हमें और एक फॉर्मूला मिल जाएगा. तो let us summarize the formulae concerning this. Now first formula what we got, or the first rule what we got, that integration of, this is what derivation we have done, f dash x upon fx dx is nothing but log of function of x, that is denominator, plus of course our standard constant of integration. Now second formula which you can similarly derive, if it is integration of function of x raised to n multiplied by f dash x. Means what? I have some function here, say tan x, sec x, raised to n multiplied by derivative of this function. If it is there, then I can simply use the formula. You can try this by substituting fx equal to t. Then I get the formula function of x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. तो हमारा फॉर्मूला याद है, x रेस टू n, उसका फॉर्मूला आता है x रेस टू n plus 1 upon n plus 1. यहाँ इंस्टेड ऑफ x इट इज some function of x, but the derivative of that function must be appearing here. And third एक बहुत ही अच्छा प्यारा फॉर्मूला हमें मिलता है, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ f dash x divided by root of fx. This also we can solve by putting fx equal to t dx. This you will get 2 root fx plus c. ये 3 याद रखो, and these 3 we are going to use directly in our calculation. अभी देखिए, let us say I say this formula we have already derived. Which one? Integration of cot x dx. Now what is cot x, बच्चों? What is cot x? Cot x is nothing but cos x upon sin x dx. बराबर है? Now denominator is sin x, numerator is derivative of sin x. Then this is the same like integral f dash x upon fx, and the answer is log fx. So we get directly the answer log of sin of x. समझ गए बच्चों? Plus of course c. This is how the calculation of integration, where we have derivative in the numerator, is solved simply like this. Now many times we have to adjust numerator as, this is very important tip I am giving you, and the example of this also we will try to solve in the next video. Now this I am making a short video, but you must see this again and try to master this technique. How we have to adjust the numerator? The numerator I am denoted by NR. NR will be adjusted as some constant lambda into denominator plus some another constant mu into derivative of denominator. समझ गए? Sometimes you will not get direct question like this. So you have to adjust the numerator in such a way that numerator will be equal to lambda with some constant into denominator plus mu into derivative of denominator. Normally such forms are, for example, such examples are integral a cos x plus b sin x upon c cos x plus d sin x dx. If you get an example of this type, you have to use this particular methodology of adjusting the numerator and using the formula which we had seen. This समझ गए? समझ गए बच्चों? तो this is a short video. This is a very short video, and your duty is to adjust numerator. How it is to be adjusted? I have given here. Example will be, once we take, it will be very clear to you. समझ गए बच्चों? चलो, thank you.